G'day everybody, it's Trader Cobb here on the 13th of December. Hope you're all well. Don't forget to give me a follow on Twitter. It's at Trader Cobb, C-O-B-B, and follow Crypto Revolution Investments on Facebook, Twitter, and on their YouTube page to get more videos. So guys, big week, lots going on. There's no doubt about that. Bitcoin. All right, so we've pushed on, blah, 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 hit 17,000. Momentum's stalling a little bit, but I'm not too concerned about this daily. What I am looking at, and I've said it before and I'll say it again, is I'm going to stick by what I know to work in my world, and that's technical analysis and Fibonacci. I'm looking for pullbacks around 10,000, a bit above, 10 to 11 now that we've pushed on a little bit higher. And if we look at the weekly, check it out, it's right back into that zone, about 10,000-ish. Between 11 and 10, buying all through that area would be certainly advisable, because each time we have a good run, we need to pull back into the cradle. We've not pulled back into the cradle for quite some time. If we do a double fib back to this one, okay, have a look here, you can see we actually could get back further towards 9,000, so it could be huge. Who knows what's going on? There's talk of South Korea with all these bits and pieces going on Friday. That'll be interesting to see if it has a reaction on the market. 4-hour time frame, technically very strong divergence on the highs here. And we did pull back, we've moved along, but it's not looking as bullish as what we had done in the past. So I'm not suggesting that this will be the catalyst for a retracement, but I'll tell you what, I sure would like to see a retracement. It would be a good time to see Bitcoin pulling back and getting back into a point of equilibrium, ready for us to load up and go bonkers in 2018. So what else? I want to just have a look at Ethereum. It's had a pretty good run, as has Litecoin, but that's kind of, as far as I'm aware, as far as I'm concerned, that's kind of bolted for the time being. Looking at Ethereum here again, let's look at the daily for a start. We'll go to the weekly actually. You can see we saw this, this breakout level. It wasn't a tradable level in my view. It wasn't. I only do horizontal levels, as you know. So if you're thinking of pennants and all that sort of wonderful stuff, that's not my style. So it's basically, there was no resistance. You can see the higher lows coming up. We moved away. We pulled back into that weekly. I said I wanted to get in at 380. Well, just missed it. Got a good buy order in there though, and it's been doing very well since. Not too overextended, as you can see here. It is extended from the weekly, but it's just had a good run. On the daily now, you can see a very nice move has occurred, consolidated. Boom! I'd love to see something back around this 510 zone. You know what I mean? That would be perfect for me. Looking at the 4-hour here again, in and around that 500, 510 gets us back to the 61.8% fib, gets us back into that cradle zone, and it's a really nice buying position or buying opportunity. And considering what Litecoin has done, having a look at it here. And if you consider also what Ripple has done, look at this. Ripple has had a big day as well. I'll show you against the dollar, XRP. Just chuck up Kraken. So you can see Ripple's broken out through, again, not a tradable level of resistance, but it's definitely cleared into a new uptrend, which is great. Litecoin's done the same. We saw Dash do that not too long ago, break up really, really well. We saw NEM do the same, move back up in that. IOTA's done the same. It's been, all of the coins have really gone sort of bonkers in that top echelon by adding billions to their market cap. And there goes Ethereum, just chugging along. It's been the most unremarkable as far as performance goes, in my view, compared to the others. But from my perspective, I think it's probably got the most potential for legs to the upside. Hence why it does have a very large market cap and is number 2 in our coin market cap graph there. So I think Ethereum's a really good one, really good in around 500, 510, between sort of 530 down to 500 is a good buy zone for Ethereum, and I've got orders there, so hopefully it goes well. Guys, don't forget to follow Crypto Revolution Investments on Facebook, on Twitter, and on their YouTube page. And don't forget to follow me, Trader Cobb, C-O-B-B for Bradley. Guys, have a great day. Speak to you all soon. Bye for now.